Hi everyone, thank you for joining into my channel. Please click the subscribe button. Like would be nice. I hope you like this video today. I hope it's not too boring. In today's video, we're just going to show you a little bit more about my garage update, clearing out garages, moving cars, etc. This video just shows a little bit of a scary moment we had. It was just a couple of monkeys that were jumping on the camera. Garage 1 is almost ready for the Lancer. I must just take these couple of things away still, and I've loaded all lawnmower bits from that garage. So in garage 2 is becoming a storage facility. It's kind of parts I don't know if I need to throw away yet. These old XJ6 rims, those I need to sell. I'll get to that. And then some parts I don't know if I'm going to need it sometime in the future, so we're all stacking it away. Obviously some of it we're going to sell eventually. If any of you are interested in anything you see here, please let me know. Take a screenshot and email it to me, and maybe you can get something out of my storage. So that is garage number 2. But now I can't fit my cars in the other garages because I've created a whole pile of junk that I still need to take away. All this is junk. So next quest would be to get a skip and or just to dump people, rubble removal people or something, and cart everything away. We've unpacked a little bit here, and we've taken away about 10 of these skips. Next up is removing the blue jag from garage number 3 over to garage number 5, and so forth. Guys, come on. Click on that like button for me. Come now, click on that like button. Right now, click on it. Click on that thumbs up button, the one there at the bottom. Click on it. Okay, guys, number 5. We now only have the blue jag, which we'll get to at a later stage. There's quite a nice table down there, which we could have used for some storage, but yeah, so we'll get to this one someday, soon, I hope. All depends on you guys' support, guys. The more likes and views I get, the quicker we can get to all these projects. It obviously needs a good clean. Still got I think the gearbox is still there. It looks like it. So we were thinking on making this a V8. Yeah, take off the bumpers and put a wide body and drop it and put 17 or 18-inch tire rims on and so forth. But yeah, we'll get there. Big thank you to our sponsors, Visa Expert, the immigration specialist. Please see their details below. If you need to go anywhere overseas, pop them an email, and they will give you all the information you need. Then there's also obviously the white one, now packed nicely away in here. The interior doesn't look too bad. Oh, looks okay still there. Guys, have you subscribed yet? Remember to subscribe. Please subscribe. The more subscriptions I have, the quicker we can get to working on the SS, that old nice Jag. I would love to start it. That's where we are working towards. That's why we're not working on any cars at the moment. We are trying to clear up space so that we can work on the S. Finally, the Lancia is in storage. We brought all the Lancia parts here as well, Summer, that I could get out. Making some progress, guys. Thank you again for all the support. The thumbs up, like button, and subscribe button is always very appreciated, and we will start this project sometime in the future. Slowly. And we've got the silver Jag here now. We unfortunately damaged it a little bit over there. The bumper, you see that thing, it's just a nut that broke. We've got it, we'll replace it. So this baby is in storage, emptying the house. You'll see there's some more pictures, more videos on this car. We will get back to it, but for the moment I think the old SS would be a nice project, the first project to start with. Let these stand off and grow some value maybe. Ja, nee. Come here. Come.